most profitable agriculture-related business ideas. Vegetable farming. You can likewise plant a wide range of vegetables and collect them to sell or make into various items. Livestock feed manufacturing. Regardless of whether you need more space to really cultivate domesticated animals, you can at present add to the business by assembling feed for domesticated animals. Fruit growing. Or then again you could develop and reap different sorts of organic produce to sell or make into other organic product-based items. Field crop farming. Soybeans, cloves, and different kinds of harvests require a decent lot of field space to develop. In any case, on the off chance that you have the land, you can gather explicit harvests to offer to food makers. Nursery operation. You can likewise begin your own nursery where you develop and offer various kinds of plants to buyers or businesses. Dairy farming. In the event that you have space and the capacity to think about bovines or other dairy animals, you could begin your own dairy ranches where you produce milk, cheddar, and comparative items. Poultry farming. Or then again you could zero in on thinking about chickens and other poultry creatures to supply food creation organizations. Fish farming. Fish farming is additionally a developing area of the agriculture, or for this situation, hydroponics, industry. The cycle requires bringing fish up in huge tanks or fenced-in areas. Rabbit raising. You can likewise raise bunnies for a wide range of purposes inside little pens or comparable walled-in areas. Snail farming. In case you're searching for a little sort of creature to raise, you should think about snails. It may sound bizarre, however, you can bring snails to go through in escargot. What's more, snail sludge can likewise be utilized by organizations for a wide range of purposes. Mushroom farming. You could likewise begin a homestead where you center explicitly around developing different kinds of mushrooms. Beekeeping. Beekeeping is an action that can prompt a wide range of item-based business adventures. Honey production. For instance, you can collect nectar from colonies and offer it to purchasers or processors. Bulk foodstuff wholesaling. You could likewise reap food that can be sold in mass, similar to rice or corn item, that you can offer or discount to food creation organizations. Weed killer production. Or then again you could begin a B2B business that produces weed executioner explicitly for ranchers or other horticultural businesses.